white shroud of snow falls on the scene of a tragic rail disaster at Osan, Korea. 3 old wooden coaches were hurled from the tracks when the train and a truck collided at a crossing. Rescue workers rushed from Seoul dig among the splintered wreckage, listening for cries for help. Hundreds of railroad workers were aboard the work train. American medical teams established field hospitals while a grim tally of the dead begins. A tombstone of twisted steel for 54 persons killed in a peacetime tragedy in Korea.